how to download Temu app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can download the Temu app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you'd like to download Temu app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your Play Store or your App Store, depending upon whether you're on iOS or on Android. Once you open up your respective Play Store or your App Store, what you want to do is in the search box you simply want to go ahead and basically type in Temu. Once you type in Temu, you're going to see the first application that says Temu Shop Like a Billionaire, and then you simply want to make sure to tap the install button right next to it. So if you've not installed before, you might want to verify with your face authentication for iOS devices, because that's what it requires if it's a new app. You just want to make sure to hit the download button. The app will be downloaded. Now you can open it up, log into your account, start shopping, and do whatever else you prefer. But to give you a general context of the idea, this is how you can download the Temu app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.